Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets and it takes you a long time to become a good trader. So be smart about the way you're trading. Also, grab a free trial right now to do a brand new Master Trader Lab monthly. We're going to learn every single month. You'll be learning techniques to help you become a much better trader. Click on the first link in the description below right now. Now, let me get into I want to talk about my short position. So I've actually got a short position. I've been short now for quite some time, actually. I got short up, back up here. I got short on the S&P 500, meaning I bought put options here, okay? So I had someone here, Trent, I had someone say, you must be sweating bullets right now about your short position. Firstly, no, because firstly, I have plenty of time in my option. I have like another at least 2 months left, so I knew this was going to take a bit of time. But also, secondly, I'm trading with the trend, so I'm not fighting it. And thirdly, I knew where we are in the markets right now. So I'm definitely not sweating bullets. And on top of all of that, one, I am expecting to see. This market to hold here. It might even rally up a little bit more, but then ultimately over the next couple of months to head back down, just like the Dow Jones, just like the Dow Jones is likely to do as well too, and drag this down. Once we get that, that's exactly what I'm looking for, to see a bit of capitulation in the markets, and then we'll likely get a bit of a bounce and so on and so forth there. So for my short position, I'm not sweating bullets because I'm trading with the trend. And on top of all of that, this is the biggest thing to your trading, guys. If I lose 100%, of this trade here, mean my option goes to expires worthless. Do you know I've only lost around 5% of my entire account? So it doesn't matter what happens with this one trade. That for me personally, when I do trade, I don't risk a lot, but the trades that I do get in can give me 100%, 2, 3, 4, 500% return. That's how I can get a good 10, 20% return on my account in one trade by only risking 5%, sometimes even less than that, in the markets. So I hope you can see that the way that I trade the markets is that I don't sweat bullets on any trade. I don't care if the whole thing expires worthless, because I could be right one trade out of 4 and still do really well. So I hope you can understand. Like for me, I don't get emotional about this sort of stuff because I know my risk in the markets and where I'm at right now. So that's where I am right now on my short position there. I hope that all makes sense with that there. As you know, the trading is not an easy thing, right? There's so many areas you need to know in order to become a really good trader. You've got the foundations, you've got the chart reading techniques, you've got the trading systems, and also you've got the mindset and so much more that goes into becoming what I call a master trader. So I've created a program called the Master Trader Lab Monthly, where every single month I'm going to be releasing brand new trainings and help you understand all of the foundations, the chart reading strategies, the mindset techniques, everything that goes into becoming a really good trader. And I'm giving away a free trial right now for the grand opening, and also I'm giving you a kickstart bonus package as well. The foundation to a successful trader, the chart reading techniques and the advanced chart reading techniques, millionaire trader mindset, and a bonus package as well too. This is for the grand opening of the Master Trader Lab Monthly. Click on the very first link in the description below right now to claim your free trial right now.